night is heavy, but you make it light. I lose my fear when you hold me tight. No words are needed, just your embrace. The world feels safe in your quiet space. Hold me closer, don't let me go. In your arms is the only home I know. Every heartbeat tells me so. Hold me closer, don't let me go. Your breath against my skin, it calms the storm. Your touch reminds me where I belong. When the world is cold, you keep me warm. A fragile love, but it's growing strong. I fall apart, but you pull me near. Through all my doubt, you keep me clear. Even silence feels like a song. When I'm with you, I know I belong. Hold me closer, don't delay. Through the joy, through the pain, every heartbeat tells me so. Hold me closer, don't let me go. If tomorrow takes the light away, I'll hold on to this night, I'll stay. Every moment wrapped in your arms is enough to shield me from harm. No fear of time, no fear of change. Love like this will always remain, even when the darkness shows.